I came tomorrow. Today, let's talk about how to learn and speak English with confidence. And I'd like to start today's video with a very simple sentence. What if I make a sentence like, I came tomorrow? I'm sure that you cannot get what I mean here simply because I have not applied any English grammar rules. And that's exactly what I'm going to address in today's video. There's a statement by many language tutors around the world today, and especially in French-speaking countries. And they often say to non-native English learners that they do not actually need to learn grammar before they can learn and speak English correctly and with confidence. And this is something that they say by arguing that native speakers do not learn grammar before being able to speak English. And to debunk this, I'd like to say, first, that you are not native speakers. That's number one. And number two, that native speakers do learn grammar at school. You can check that online. So I personally think that we do not constantly, as language tutors, we do not constantly need to reinvent the wheel. The wheel already exists, and what we have to do here as language tutors is to improve it. And what I mean here by using that example of the wheel is that I do agree with the fact that grammar needs to be taught differently, at least differently than what we experience at school. But saying that grammar is useless in the learning process is just a total bullshit. How do you intend to drive on highways in complete ignorance of the driving rules? Or is it possible for someone to be good at mathematics without any command of the mathematics rules? So I personally think that it is necessary to master English grammar if you really want to speak with confidence. English grammar is actually one of the building blocks of the English you will speak tomorrow. So let nobody lie to you that you do not need to master English grammar before you speak English. Let me give you an example before closing. How do you intend to make the difference between I play with my children and I used to play with my children if you do not know how it works with English grammar? So take it seriously from now on. And I'm not saying this because I'm expecting you to agree with me. I'm sure you wouldn't agree with me, but let me tell you something. There are no shortcuts to learning a language. I'm not just referring to English here. Thank you very much. If this video was useful, then I'm glad. If it wasn't, I really do not care. And if you need English lessons for those of you who are still learning the language, Mountain Television Lee is one of the best language institutes, and we are based in the Republic of Benin. Just contact us and we'll be more than happy to support you.